Hi guys, look what showed up. Another box. It's December 21st, 2019, and I guess that certain someone must have thought I was a pretty good boy this year because I have this box and I see there's two other boxes in transit, although I don't think they're going to get here before Christmas. So let's have a look and see what we have inside, shall we? Stuff's in there pretty good today. And we got lots of popcorn as usual. That's the bottom. There's that. So it is the new UP1111, the powered by our people unit. And we'll just get this out of the way. Popcorn flying everywhere. And that's the box of it. Nicely done. Union Pacific. Let's just open it up quickly and have a quick look. You get all your paperwork here on that. And there it is. SD70ACe. Oh, we got a screw lying there, so I'll have to figure out where that came from. Other than that, that's it. So if you want to see this unit in pictures, it'll be, you can check out my Flickr page and I'll put a link down below. And hopefully everybody has a safe and happy Christmas and have a terrific day.